Hello guys, welcome back to the DevOps channel. Today I am going to share how to integrate OpenTelemetry for the Python. With the help of OpenTelemetry in Python, involves setting up the SDK, configuring it to OpenTelemetry in terms of traces, metrics, and logs, and exporting this data to the backend, or you can say observability platform for the analysis. So many frameworks are there for the Python that such as Django, FastAPI, and Flask. So in this case, I am using Flask is here. So what are the prerequisite for this? So we must have Ubuntu 24.04 LTS with sudo privileges and Python 3 with Flask installed on your machine. So these are the steps I am executing one by one and show you how we'll integrate OpenTelemetry for the Python. So now we required install instance here. So just logging to the machine here. Yes, we have successfully logged in here. Now, before going to start for any task, we have to update all the packages here. And now we have to install Python your machine, Python 3. Now copying Python 3 has been installed your machine. Now we have to check the version for the Python 3 here. Yes, we got a version for Python is 3.12.3. Now we have to create a simple Python application with Flask and activate a virtual environment with name venue that located in the current directory. Now we have to create a one directory here. Yes, we have created a one directory. Now we have to install Python 3.12 here with the help of command because it is in virtual environment. We have to yes. Just now, till now, I am copying this command to activate virtual environment. Now, we have to install Flask on your machine. Flask is installing here. Yes, we have successfully installed Flask is here. Now we have to execute this command. That command means that -p 8080 port is port number, and this port means your Flask application will be accessible at the port this port 8080 and -h 0.0.0.0. This set to this environment, and it tells Flask to listen on all available network interfaces, and it make your application accessible easily on the same on any device on the same network. So I'm executing this command. Before that, I'm going to create one a Python file. So I'm giving name to this file. Just copying and paste the code in this file. Save this file, and now we have to build and execute this with the help of this environment. Copying and pasting the yes, we have successfully all work has been done here, but just we got one warning that uh, this is a development server. So as you can run this web URL, you can see how it will works. If I am copying here, IP here and paste here the IP. Yes, we have successfully run all the commands till now and execution there. As I am refreshing again and again, it will reflect different number here. So role dice process has been done here. So now we have to integrate actual integration for OpenTelemetry for Python. Now, um, Now we have to install all the distro packages which contains OpenTelemetry API SDK. Uh, I'm using this command to install all the packages. Is API and SDK is here. Packages are installing here. Yes, packages are successfully installed and installed here. Now we have to install OpenTelemetry Bootstrap is here. This is also installing here. And that process, still now whatever commands I have run, that execute on virtual environment, as you can see. Now we have to you can run your instrument app with OpenTelemetry instrument, and that how it will print on the to the console for now. We have to just copy the command. Just we have to export. Whatever logs, traces, and matrix that will print with the help of this command. As you can see, OpenTelemetry SDK language is Python is here. Then SDK name is OpenTelemetry is here. SDK version is 1.26 is there. In this way, your logs, metrics, and traces that shown with the help of above command. Now, if I went to this if web URL, it will. If I refresh this again and again, it will change a different number. So it is integrating with the Open Telemetry. So that I want to show in this video. That, thank you, guys.